Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is chlorophyll, the green pigment that captures light energy for photosynthesis. By the end of this video, you'll know what colour it absorbs, why leaves look green, and what happens when chlorophyll is missing. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in chloroplasts that absorbs light energy for photosynthesis. It absorbs mostly red and blue wavelengths of visible light while reflecting green, which is why leaves appear green to our eyes. Chlorophyll is essential. Without it, no photosynthesis and no plant could survive. Three things. 1. Chlorophyll is a pigment, not an enzyme. 2. It lives inside chloroplasts in plant cells, mostly in the palisade mesophyll cells. And 3. Absorbing red and blue, reflecting green, is why plants look green. In autumn, chlorophyll breaks down and the other pigments, yellow, orange and red, become visible. Common slip. Chlorophyll isn't the chloroplast. Chlorophyll is the pigment. The chloroplast is the organelle housing it. And chlorophyll isn't the only photosynthetic pigment. There are carotenoids too, but at GCSE you focus on chlorophyll. Quick example, grow 2 seedlings, one in red light, one in green light. The red light seedling thrives. Chlorophyll absorbs red wavelengths and photosynthesis runs fast. The green light seedling struggles. Chlorophyll reflects green, so very little light is absorbed and photosynthesis is slow. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.